Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you a roller bottle, and we're gonna be using wild orange and some of these beautiful oil here. I'm gonna also use rose oil, and you know what guys, I'm gonna be throwing up the information on the screen for you. And this is a roller bottle perfume, just a little perfumey, woody, kind of smelly, and also like a rose smell itself. So I'm gonna be showing you this and how to make it, and I'm gonna be also throwing up some information on the screen for you so you can see what I'm doing. So also in this roller bottle, I'm gonna be using frankincense and ilang ilang. Um, you also need a 10 ml bottle, like a roller bottle, and I'm also gonna top this off with some jojoba oil. And if you don't have jojoba oil, I mean any fractionated oil can use, and the best one I would say to use in this one is coconut oil. So this oil is so beautiful. I suggest that you guys try it, guys. It is so gentle and blend well with all these other oils. So the way you're gonna be using this oil is gently just rub it, just roll it behind your ears because it's a roller bottle you're gonna be having. And then what you're gonna be using, you're gonna be use it on your wrist as well. And yeah, you can use it on your neck if you want. Just roll it on your neck, guys. So I hope you guys try out this oil, beautiful perfume roller bottle oil that I'm making. It's just wonderful, guys. So I'm gonna be stopped for a little bit, and then I am going to, so like I said, I'm gonna be stopped for a little bit, and then I'm going to be pouring these oils because I don't want them to be mixed up. So give me a few minutes, guys, and I'll get back to you. Sorry for the long delay and pause, guys. I just have to get this going. So as you can see, I have a few different oil here, but I'm gonna be trying the bobo oil today. And also this oil will last you for this roller bottle will last you for a whole entire year. It's also safe for pets, all these oils that I'm using. And I don't see why it's not around your pets, but if you know any oil that is not good around pets, you can let me know. And so now I'm topping it off the roller bottle right now. And what I'm gonna do is give it a good shake. First, I'm just gonna put the roller bottle in, the roller cap in, and then I will just give it a good shake after that's kept there. If you don't want to cap it like this one, you can actually not doing it and then just use your regular cap over it. And then what you can do is take your finger when you're ready to use it, give it a good shake on your finger and get some on your finger. Then you can just apply it around the ears area and the wrist area. So as you can see here, this is a beautiful little roller bottle here I'm using. I love roller bottle, guys. I make these all the time and I just keep them in my purse for different reasons, for headache, for allergy, my little roller bottles for everything. And also here I'm showing you a different one. If you don't want to use a roller bottle, you can put it into that 1 ounce bottle that I've been showing you. I'm going to show you how this is. And you can see here it doesn't come out like a whole lot. It's just enough to like give you a good smell. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Continue to watch a video and I hope you guys try out this roller bottle and let me know if you like it or not. And these are all the oils that I used today. Thanks so much again guys for watching. Bye for now.